How to save your file in Canva. So if you want to save your file in Canva, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Canva and go with your file that you've already created. Now once you're here, you need to just go with the top right, which has that share option. Once you click on share, then you'll be able to have the download option. Click on download, and from here you can choose the file type. So go with the drop down and you can select PNG or PDF or MP4 video or GIF or any other option. So I'll just simply go with a PDF standard. Just click on it and then you can go with the pages. You can select the pages. I'll just simply go with 1 and 2 and go with done and click on download, and it has been downloaded. So just wait for a few seconds and it has been downloaded. Now you can click on the download and that's it. That's how you can save your file in Canva, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.